So in this video we will see how to add the Yorai wallet as extension to the Chrome browser. So we go to the website PrimeStakePool and click on get the wallet, and we will choose the Chrome version for the Yorai wallet, and make sure that you are not in the incognito mode. If you are incognito mode, then you won't be able to add the extension to the browser. So we click Chrome and we have the extension here, add to Chrome. So we click it. So it can read and change your data on connect.trezor.io and umargo.github.io. So we add this. So now the extension has been added. You can see I have two wallets, MetaMask and Yorai, over here. So click on Yorai wallet, and our wallet is loaded. So we choose English as language. Read all the terms of use, all the instructions if you want to, then agree the terms and click continue. You have two options over here: level of interface complexity. So we will choose the simple version. As it will be useful for the newbie who are not familiar with blockchain or no previous knowledge in blockchain, and it's user friendly for the beginners. So we will choose the simple version. So you can go through all this, the instructions. So we will skip this for now. We can do this from settings also, that payment URL. So confirm it and we are done. So here we have three options: connect to hardware wallet, create wallet, and restore wallet, and transfer funds from a Daedalus wallet to Yorai wallet. So since I have wallet in Daedalus, so I am not going to create any wallet, and I am not transferring my fund also. So we will restore it. So click on restore, and note over here it's a light wallet, because light wallet means that the blockchain the chain data, it won't be downloaded, or no need for synchronization as in the Daedalus wallet. So we'll restore it. So here is the option: 15 word recovery phrase and 24 word recovery phrase, or paper wallet. Now since I have 24 word recovery phrase, so we will choose the option 24 word recovery phrase. Put some wallet name here and enter the 24 word recovery phrase and create a new password to restore the wallet. So I'll do that. Click restore wallet, and here we need to verify the Shelly account checksum and Shelly wallet address. So we click confirm. I have about 4 other coins in my Daedalus wallet. Yeah, I think it's all right. We will check the balance. So we will go to the dashboard. Yeah, here it's clearly showing I have 4.75 ADA. That means my wallet has been successfully restored. So this is my dashboard, and delegation list. You can search by ticker name. So let's click PSP and click search. So you can delegate here prime stake pool, or so now delegation by ID. Oh, you can also put the pool ID here. So let's try with our pool. Our pool ID is, here is the pool ID. I put over here and click search. So it's searching, yeah. So this is the pool. So click on delegate. You can only delegate to one stake pool at a time. You can switch to delegate to a different stake pool at any time. You can cancel your delegation at any time. So since I have around 4.75 ADA, so I can delegate maximum 2.55 ADA, and transaction fees is 2.17, and how much I will earn per epoch, it is also showing. So let try let put this pending password here and try to delegate. So now let's delegate. Oh, successfully delegated. So then it's done. Tag the status of the stake pool and the amount of time remaining to receive the reward from the dashboard page. So you can delegate with any amount from Yorai wallet, but in Daedalus wallet you can't do that. You require minimum 10 ADA to delegate. So we will go to dashboard page. So here you can see upcoming rewards. So since I delegated in epoch 247, so my ADA will be in live stake, and after one more epoch, that is in epoch 249, it will be in active stake, and I will start getting rewards after one more epoch consecutively. That means from epoch 251 onwards I will get rewards consecutively. And on other pools, let's check on other pools website. So now let's check the delegation status on other pool website. So we click on otherpools.org link and go to delegators. So you can see here 2.6 ADA has been delegated to the pool in epoch 247. So this is how to delegate other coins with Yorai wallet. So hoping to see you in my pool. support us. Let's grow together. See you in the pool. Bye.